Welcome to Easy English.
Hi, Anna. Are you hungry?
Hi, Tom. Yes, a little. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
Same here. So today's topic is eating out.
Great choice. Eating out is something many people do every week.
That's true. Anna, do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, I do. I like eating out, especially on weekends.
Me too. It feels relaxing when I don't have to cook.
Exactly. When you eat out, what kind of restaurant do you like?
I like simple restaurants with comfortable seats and good food. I don't need anything fancy.
I agree. Good food and a nice atmosphere are enough.
When you enter a restaurant, what do you usually say?
I usually say, "Hi, a table for two, please."
That's perfect. If the restaurant is busy, they might say, "Please wait for a moment."
Yes, that happens a lot. Waiting is normal.
After you sit down, what's the first thing you do?
I look at the menu carefully. Sometimes I ask questions.
What kind of questions do you ask?
I might ask, "What do you recommend?" Or, "What is popular here?"
Those are great questions. Staff usually like to help.
Yes. Sometimes I also ask about ingredients.
That's important, especially if you don't like certain food.
Exactly. For example, I might say, "Does this have meat in it?"
That's very useful. What about drinks?
I usually order water, tea, or juice. Sometimes I order coffee after the meal.
When you are ready to order, what do you say?
I say, "I'm ready to order."
Simple and clear. Then you can say, "I'd like the chicken, please."
Yes. You can also say, "Can I have this without onions?"
That's very helpful. Many restaurants can change the food a little.
Tom, what do you do if the food is not what you expect?
If it's a small problem, I usually don't say anything. But if there's a big problem, I speak politely.
What do you say?
I might say, "Excuse me, this is not what I ordered."
That's polite and clear. Most staff will help you.
Yes, good communication is important.
After you finish eating, what do you usually do?
I wait for the bill. Or I ask, "Can I have the bill, please?"
That's very common. In some places, you pay at the counter,
Yes, then the staff may ask, "Cash or card?"
and you can answer, "Card, please."
Do you leave a tip when you eat out?
Yes, in some countries it's very common. It depends on where you are.
That's true. It's good to know the local rules.
Before we finish, let's practice some useful sentences.
Good idea. You can say, "A table for two, please."
Or, "I'd like to order."
You can also say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
These sentences are very useful when eating out.
Yes, they help you feel more confident in restaurants.
Thanks for listening to our podcast today.
We hope this episode helps you enjoy eating out more.
See you next time.
Bye.